I was not prepared to share this with you guys, but I'm cleaning my son's bathrooms right now, and let me tell you, it's a mess. I got this tornado scrub from TikTok, but I'm gonna look for one similar to this or this one to share with you, but it is amazing. It gets your bathroom clean without having to do all the heavy lifting. Let me show you. So I am doing the bathtub, and I already sprayed it down with scrubbing bubbles, and then I use this to buff it. It comes with different attachments, but I find this one to be really great for the tile in here. So it comes on a long handle. You can shorten it, whatnot, and then you can turn this to rotate to spin on, and then it'll go straight, or it will go at an angle like this, and then you just turn it on and watch it work. So I did that throughout the whole bathtub, like without bending or anything. I wish I could show you, but trust me, I didn't have to do much, and I just kind of just went back and forth. Now I'm gonna spray it down and then go over it with the spongy thing to give it like a shine. I'll show you that one. I rinsed that first layer of dirt off, and then I changed the head here. This is actually really easy on this part. You just, it's Velcro down. This is very impromptu, guys. I didn't plan to make this video, so it's not gonna be all fancy. Just needed to get up in here because I thought my boys could clean, and they obviously cannot. So I need to get in here and clean right. It's a work in progress raising teenage boys. So we have this on here now. I thought it would be perfect to do one more spray down and then kind of get the rest of the dirt up and give it one more rinse, and this should be clean. And it's taking less time than normal. Don't mind the vacuum in the background. We're in the cleaning mode over here today. But yeah, so I'm gonna go through and do that one more time, and I'll show you the end result. This is the final look. I didn't do a deep clean. This is just, you know, real quick surface clean, but there are so many more options on here. Let me show you what some of the options are. So you can see, like, there's the brush, there's even that wider brush, and then the toilet brush, the buffer, all types of accessories to add to it. So it's pretty neat, and I will try to find one that's just like that or similar, because I don't know where that one came from. I just bought it on TikTok. If you made it this far in the video, let me know what your favorite bathtub cleaner is. I know this stuff is amazing. This swab, if you have a lot of that daily clarifying, yes, that will get all the soap scum and dirt up. It's proven. And I've even used toothpaste. If I had like extra like cheap toothpaste that was gonna expire, I use that, and it would help scrub up a lot of the stuff. So let me know. But thanks for watching this video. I hope it inspires you to clean your bathroom or teach your kids how to clean their bathroom, because they're gonna get in here and finish the rest. But yeah, I'll chat with you on the next one.